And today we are going to see the simple harmonic motion equation, okay, and also graph, okay. So these are the thing we are going to discuss today. So y is displacement, a is amplitude, it is a sine variation, this is a sine graph, okay. Omega t is the angle, okay. So omega is equal to angular velocity is equal to theta by t. So if you want theta is equal to omega t. So instead of writing sine theta, we wrote as a omega t. This is representing as a theta. So this is sine graph. Y axis will be displacement, x axis will be time period, okay. When sine 0, so you will get it as a y is equal to 0 because sine 0 0, okay. When sine is 90, y is equal to, you will get as a plus a, okay. When sine is 180, it's sine 180 is 0, so y is equal to 0. When sine is 270, you will get it as a y is minus a, okay, it's a negative, okay. When sine is 360, you will get it as a 0 again, y is equal to 0. So it is a sine graph, okay. So we got y is this much. What is a velocity? Velocity is equal to dy by dt. It's a displacement by time, will get as a velocity. Differentiating this equation will get as a velocity. How we can differentiate this equation? Amplitude is a constant, a I am taken as a constant. Sin theta differentiation will be cos theta. Theta will be omega t here, okay. Again omega t differentiation, because t is a variable, omega t differentiation, when it's a t with differentiating with t, will get it as a 1. So that means we'll get as a only omega. So v is equal to a omega cos omega t. So velocity we got as a cos variation, okay. As we know, cos graph, cos 0 degree will be 1, cos 90 degree it is a 0, cos 180 degree it is a minus 1, cos 270 degree it is again 0, cos 360 degree it is a plus 1, okay. So the graph will be like this. It is plus 1, it is 0, it is a minus 1, and again it is a plus 1, okay. It is 0 again, okay. It is for 0 degree, it is for 90 degree, it is for 180 degree, and it is for 270 degree, and this point is for 360 degree, okay. Now v is equal to a omega at the point of 0 degree. V is equal to a omega, okay. When it is 90 degree cos 0, okay. So here v is equal to 0, and here v is equal to minus a omega, okay. At 270 degree cos 270, so v is equal to 0, okay. When the cos is 360, we'll get v is equal to plus a omega, okay. This is a velocity variation we'll get from the cos, okay. And again acceleration is equal to acceleration will take like this, okay. I will take capital A because a amplitude we are taken. A is equal to differentiation of this equation. A is a constant, omega also here will be the constant. Cos omega t differentiation will be minus sin omega t, and omega t differentiation will get as a omega. So finally acceleration will get as a minus a omega square sin omega t. So it is a negative sign, okay. So you will get graph like this, okay. So opposite to the first graph, okay. So we got first is a displacement graph, and another one is a velocity graph we got like this. The another thing is acceleration graph we got is a negative sign, okay. So when 0 degree, a will be 0, amplitude will be 0. When it is 90 degree, minus a omega, that is this is a point 90 degree minus a omega. When 180 degree, again a will become as a 0, okay. When 270 degree, a is become as a plus a omega. When 360 degree is there, again a is going to become as a 0. Thank you.